Alright, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood at pag-share ng ating live. Magandang gabi po. This is the second game of our Women's Volleyball Tournament 2025. Tangerine Team versus the Green Team. Ayan, sila yung nagharap ng finals if I'm not mistaken. At ang nagwagi po dito ang defending champion ng Tangerine Team. Tingnan natin kung makakabawi ang Green Team dito. Good luck.
2025 between the Tangerine Team and also Green Archer Women's Division. And we would like to acknowledge
Thank you, Idol. Good. Okay, in the service area, jersey number 20. Mali. Sa kabila pala, green. Correction. Outside. First point para sa defending champion, ang Tangerine Team. Miranda on the service area. Over. Points para sa Green Team. Ayan na. Miranda. Spike there. Sayang nga ni Miranda. Not over. Puntos para sa defending champion. Two-one.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Oopsie. Puntos para sa green. Time out. Tangerine Team. With official scores all two. Shout out sa ating mga kasama dito, mga kabarangay. Gio Kapampangan sa ating super highlights. Follow niyo po siya sa kanyang Facebook account and YouTube or TikTok. Gio Kapampangan. And kasama ko rin dito si Idol. Idol, shout out ka muna. Ito, sa harap ko muna. Hindi kita makita eh.
Wash her out!
Okay, back to the ball game. All to tayo. Bola rito ng green.
Back to the ball game, boy. Kikan! Masyado mong siya dyan.
Mamaya pre. Wait lang. Puntos para sa Tangerine. Number 14. Uy, Reyes with a quick attack. Communication. Puntos para sa Green Team. Para sa Green. Nandito na rin pala si Arcel Domingo. Over puntos para sa Green Team.
Service number 25. Reyes,
pag time out. Pag time out natin. Pag time out. Okay, guys.
Now it's in Maisha. She's Ace Maisha Vasquez. She's Ace Tangerine. Still is service by Isha Vasquez. Wow, what a service is that?
May Vasquez.
Level 3.
Para sa Tangerine.
Now service by jersey number 2 is Nicole.
Oopsie, outside. Well, 4.
Inside.
Puntos para sa Tangerine. 12-5.
Substitution number 20 and number 8.
Number 20 coming in para sa Tangerine. 13-5. Wait.
And the pass.
Puntos para sa Tangerine.
Now serves by Ignacio.
Ignacio cut. Good serve. outside.
Inside.
15-6. Outside. Miranda on the service area.
That's it. Yes, yes, by Jersey, 11 is the Armstrong. Domingo. Outside, boy, Korean, 17-7, return point 3 from every archer.
Outside.
Point again,
18-7.
That was service by PK. That was service by number 5. Wood.
Not over, sayang. 19-8.
That was service by Jersey 11. Arcel Domingo.
Ooh, service 8 by Arcel Domingo.
Okay, once again, the service is by Arcel Domingo. Transfer.
Saan ko na mo ngayon?
Bili
mo, bilis. Bigay mo. Ay, nandito mo na. Thank you. Galing talaga. Idol. 21.
Thank you, pa. Thank you. Shout out.
Service
Ace.
Arcel Domingo. Check ball.
Let's go. Night away. Not over.
Point, actually. Stepping on the line.
Stepping on the
Stepping on
line.
the line from the Tangerine.
Dos para sa
Point,
red.
Green Archer. Now served by Isha Vasquez.
Not over.
Coffee, Isha Vasquez, Baker. Until now? Okay.
Oopsie, not over.
Warning!
Warning, warning.
With Ice Coffee with Isha Vasquez.
And shoutout din po sa Tombis Burger. Ayan. Located po yan sa ating Jayasinya Street.
Okay, winner of the first set.
Okay, winner of the first set, Green Team. With official score is 25 and 10. Panalo po ang Green. Tignan natin kung makakabawi dito ang defending champion, ang Tangerine Team. Let's go! And shoutout, Chan! Shoutout mo na! Mayayain ang aking ano. Ayan, guys. Sama rin pala natin dito si Coach Charlie Marquez. Ayan, shoutout kay Sir Mr. and Mrs. Miranda. Ayan, kasama ko yan sa Senro. Shoutout sa iyo, kuya. At sa ating mga kabarangay. Let's go, second set.
Ano naman?
Shoutout din pala kay DC. Ayan. Magandang sa gabi sa'yo, Parkoy. And shoutout din, Gio. Hey! Next game natin, Purple Team. Hello, good luck. Ating third game. Purple versus Pink Team. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, back to the ball game. Winner of first set ang green team. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol dito or makakuha ng Tangerine ang set number 2 or makukuha na ng green team ang kanilang unang panalo this season. Malalaman natin yan maya-maya lamang. Good luck, ladies. Second set tayo. Bola mapupunta sa Tangerine. Uy, not over. First point para sa defending champion.
Reyes. Point green on 1.
Puntos para sa green team. Sophia Valerio. Uy. Nice dig pero hindi umabot. It's a service ace. Good serve para kay Sophia. Ay, tawid. Si
Outside. Point green. 3-1 in favor of the green team.
Oy!
Point Tangerine. Bounced by Miranda Manga. Service
Outside.
error. Bounced by number 3, Reyes. Anna. Check ball. Service ace by Anna Reyes.
Diana Reyes.
Nice hit by Cleveland. So,
Not over.
Green inside. 6-2 by the Green table.
Ang bayad ang ball. Ang bayad yan.
Oopsie.
Outside.
Go!
On Green.
Ayan, we'd like to thank our sponsor, the Tombis
6-3.
Burger and the J&D Alubalob Sizzling Hub. Maraming salamat po. Kung gusto niyo pong bistahin ng kanilang
Position error for the Green. Position error for the Green. Point
lamang po
Tangerine.
ang Tombis Burger sa J. Asinia Street. Tapat lang po yan ng ating bakanting lote ng BS Angeles. Ayan, maraming salamat Tombis Burger. Sila na ang third game dito. Good luck sa inyong laban po.
Bautista.
Uy, Bautista na iangat ng Tangerine. Yun lang, not over. Azel Arzel Domingo. Good serve. Naiangat ng Tangerine. Yun lang. Sel! Ars! Lock it down. go. Uy. Naiangat ng Tangerine. Yun lang, inapos. Not over. Good serve.
Yes, sir. Assault!
Toss na naman para sa Green Team.
Yes, Arsenal. Chance ball. Yes, Brazil Cano. Bang!
What a drop ball.
Yes. Inside.
Good serve. Oh, see. Another serve is ace. Grabe naman yan. Ating defending champion. Arcel Domingo. Pakaimaw dito ang Tangerine. Official score 4-12. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng Orange or ang Tangerine team.
Okay, back to the whole game. Next game, purple versus pink team. Please stand by.
Back to the ball game. Ispatan na ni Arcel. Saan niya papatamahin ng bola?
Uy! May tawid pa yun! Panalo ay Paglaga, Angela. Yes, sir. Boom! Nice hit! Brazil, Cano. Ay! Ian!
Not over.
Nice try by Ian. That was it,
Para sa
Cano,
defending
Brazil.
champion. Sa league.
Angela.
Okay. Naitawid ni Angela. Number 7.
Okay, that was it by Salazar, Ian. Service ace by Salazar, Ian. Substitution number 8 and number 20. Targa, Venice, inside. Service error.
Service error. Puntos para sa defending champion. 14-6 ang ating talahan.
Nicopo, service error.
Hindi ko pa alam eh. Check nga lang saan. Hindi ko, ang dami nila eh. let's go.
Service is by jersey number 2, Alfonso Shaira.
Alfonso Shaira on the service area. Good serve.
Service error.
That's para sa Tangerine.
Number 20 is a Venice. Service error. Point green.
Angela on the service. Let's go, Micah.
Yes, Cameron France.
Not over. Service ace para sa defending champion. Huwag time out, pre. Wala ka naman. Huwag time out, huwag time out.
Taro po si Chan. Nakita na naman ah.
Well, not over. Dumabot. Puntos para sa defending champion.
Still in service by Camila Ignacio, 10-17 by the Beacon Cleveland. Service ace! Check ball!
Service ace.
Mahabol ng Tangerine. Last game. Arzel. Set. Yes, Arzel. Point green.
Outside.
Now service by number 22 Bangladesh. Sophia on the service.
Outside. Yari. Shout out guys. No, naman natin mga idol sa volleyball eh. Shout out kay Jeron, Nuke, Gap Pineda, and Justin Alduayan.
Alam.
And shout out kay Justin, Micah. Uy! Outside.
Okay, now service.
Official score 20-14 in favor pa rin sa green team. Inside. It's a service ace. Idol, ang defending champion. Papakita kita shoutout ba? Shoutout kay Idol Felix de la Cruz, kay DC. Maraming salamat sa iyong pa-Gcash, brother, Sir Felix de la Cruz. Shoutout po. Service ace para sa Tangerine. Miranda Maila. Oh, what a nice dig by Micah. Naitawid. Ay na ang Tangerine. Papalo rito. Napalakas inside. Ayan na, humahabol na ang defending champion.
1-point lead, 20-19 by Green in Freeport.
Island. Shoutout kay Sir Mr. and Mrs. Miranda. Enjoying the game. Grabe ang kanilang anak dito, humabol na. At hindi pa daw tapos ang laban. Sabi ni Myla Miranda. Let's go! Oh! Another service ace! Change favor! 21-20. Lamang na dito ang defending champion.
Pinag-isang kayo ni Myla Miranda. Best in service.
Another service ace. Si Mami napapangiti na dito. Let's go!
Walang katagod-tagod ang Tangerine.
Outside.
Position error. Point again. Tangerine.
Position error. Correction. Puntos para sa Tangerine. Warning para sa defending champion, Myla Miranda. Ay na, nakuha ni Reyes. Nayangat sa kabila. Naitawid. Reyes was there. Sophia to Arcel with a drop. Number 2. Sophia. Match point para sa defending champion. Last one. Tignan natin, magkakaroon ng third set. Di pa daw tapos ang laban, sabi ng Tangerine. Meron pa tayong set. Tingnan natin yan. Ay na! Uy! Nabuhayan ng Tangerine. Papalo dito! Ay na, Rover. Tingnan natin. Arcel Domingo. Di pwede magkamali sa service ace or sa service area. Arcel Domingo. Daya nga ni Miranda. Ay na. Umahabol ang green team. Timeout. Ang defending champion. Official scores 24 and 22 in favor of the defending champion.
Defending champion yung Peng. Ayun.
Tangerine. Let's go!
Magaling mag-service.
Okay, that's the whole game. Is a match point.
Alright, back to the ball game. Hindi pwede magkamali dito. Ang green team. Arcel Domingo on the service area. Arcel nayangat. It's a check ball. Arcel Domingo. Let's go, Arcel. Night a win. Ay na.
Just
Juice tayo. Sabi ni Arcel, hindi. Pwede to. Makukuha na kaya.
Sinervisa naman kayo ni Arcel Domingo.
Another service ace by Arcel. Ang defending champion yan. Another one for the win! At dito na po, nagtatapos ang ating laban. Congratulations and nice game sa ating defending champion ng Tangerine team, and congratulations sa winning team, ang Green team. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood, and God bless everyone. Keep safe.